The part 1 video, we looked at how to create these buffers. So in this video, we're going to look at the multiple ring buffer and some of what it can produce. All right, so we either go to search and then we search buffer, or we search multiple ring buffer. You'll see it here, it has multiple ring buffer. So you click on it and then multiple ring buffer. So we bring in our school again, because let's use the school as the example for this, which at the end of the day is the same thing that we'll go through. So for this school now, we're going to have, since it's multiple buffer, we're going to have it this way. We're going to have 1 kilometer, we add, we're going to have 2 kilometer, we add, we're going to have 5 kilometer, we add, we're going to have 10 kilometer, we add, we're going to have 15 kilometer, we add, and lastly 20 kilometer, we add. So we've all added it. So we scroll down here, it's asking for the unit, so we change it to say it's kilometer, right? So we have 1, 2, 5, 10, 15 and 20 kilometers. So the next thing we're going to click is OK, and then we wait for it to do so. Let's right click and zoom to extend for this so that we see this was the 5 kilometer we did before. So let's wait for the multiple ring buffer so that we see how this will look like. So you can see that what we created has been done. So you can see the difference between the previous one, which was the one we just did like a single layer, and this one. So we have 1 kilometer, 5 kilometer, 10 kilometer and 15 kilometers. All of them have been created. So this gives more graphical representation for especially layman when you're trying to explain things to them. So you don't need to work on the symbology and all of that. This will explain more information and gives more details. So it is a well-known fact that in surveying you take more data so that you can have more than enough information than just taking another data. So it's very important while producing so that you have that kind of mindset of having more information than required. All right, so this is how you can do multiple ring buffer. So you can apply this for both the line features and the polygon features, all are the same. It's to give you the same result. So I will see you in the next video.